District Shajapur, Public Service and Grievances Redressal System through video conferencing. I am going to present my presentation on 4 points. One is the online Jan Sunwai, the institutional framework which we are using in this program, then the public service delivery concept which is behind this institutional framework and behind this program, then the service delivery platform which we are using, and then end-to-end grievances redressal system which we are giving to the general public. Here I'm putting some brief about district Shajapur. So as you know, Shajapur district is a district of Madhya Pradesh state. The district is situated in the northwestern part of the state. We have area of 3,460 square kilometer and our population is 9,41,403. So we are we are providing the government services to these 9,41,000 people through the village panchayats 326 and 6 municipalities. I am representing this figure because our program is panchayat based program, where we are talking to the 326 panchayat. Sir, as you know, Madhya Pradesh government already started Jan Sunwai program in the year 2009, where people are invited to present their grievances to the government officers. Later on, this program was merged with the CM helpline. Now, what we do is that we get the grievances from the public and we incorporate into the CM helpline where we dispose their grievances. Now, what we are doing in online Jan Sunwai program and how it is different from already working program is that we are in COVID pandemic, we are directly talking to the people at Gram Panchayat level through video conference. Earlier, what we used to do before pandemic, that people used to come to our office, they used to give their grievances in hard copy, we registered it in our online system, and then we used to give them disposal. Now what we have changed, we have gone a step further in this already running program, and we are giving video conference system to the Gram Panchayats, where people from the village come to the Panchayat and they put their grievances through the video conference to the DM and the other officials. We have huge discussion on those video conference platform, and this way we have initiated one way further in already running one Jan Sunwai program. Now, what are the key objectives? Implementation of the provision of MP Public Service Guarantee Act. As you know, that Madhya Pradesh is the first state in the country to do this, and then later on other states have followed us. Then we give electronic service delivery through video conferencing with the villager at the Gram Panchayat level. Then we redress the grievances, give the grievances redressal system. And then we are taking online feedback also from the Gram Panchayats. We have one-to-one discussion on not only on the grievances, but on very different issues also. I'm putting this institutional frameworks. We are District E-Governance Society under Digital India program. It is the online platform for this online Jan Sunwai, public service and grievances redressal with the help of 326 Panchayat of the Shajapur. Now, who are the parts of this system? District Collector, E-Governance Manager, district level officers, our block level officers, CEO Janpat, Sarpanch, and all villagers who are participating in the video conference on that particular day, and then Sachiv, Anganwadi worker, and Asha. Now as you know, that our system is now turning into the up to bottom approach. We are directly connecting ourselves to the people at the village level. Here I'm presenting the public service delivery concept, sir. We as the part of Madhya Pradesh administration, we are already working on these projects, which is known as MP e-District, CM Helpline, CM Dashboard, and then Madhya Pradesh MP government. This initiative is one step further to this already existing system. This initiative has been started by our DM, respected Dinesh Jain sir, who is IS of 2011 batch, and posted as DM since 6th June 2020. We are doing online Jan Sunwai through video conferencing with the rural people directly by developing panchayat level e-governance system. So here I am presenting one slide where I am showing you that how the system of public service guarantee has been working in the Madhya Pradesh. As you know, in 2000 till 2010, we are working with the citizen charter. Then we came with the public service grievances administration system, and then public service management department, and then we are having lok seva kendras, and then we further went to the other data analysis and csc, and then you all know all about this. And then with the samadhan one day we are talking to the people, and even our cm sir, honorable cm sir, is talking through the video conference to the people who are putting their grievances to the state level. Till now we were working that people of the rural areas were able to talk to the cm directly. Now we have gone one step further in 2020, and in district shajapur we have started video conference with the people of rural area directly. On 12th May 2020, as you know that our Honorable Prime Minister Sir has started the आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान. प्रदेश मजबूत होगा तो देश मजबूत होगा, प्रदेश आगे बढ़ेगा तो देश आगे बढ़ेगा. इसी कॉन्सेप्ट को लेकर के हमारे मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट ने आत्मनिर्भर मध्य प्रदेश रोड मैप 2023 की परिकल्पना को साकार किया. और इसके सेकेंड पॉइंट जो है सुशासन के अंतर्गत हमने 20 जून 2020 को ऑनलाइन जन सुनवाई प्रोग्राम को लॉन्च किया है. ऑनलाइन जन सुनवाई लॉन्च करने वाला शाजापुर मध्य प्रदेश का पहला जिला है, जबकि सभी जिले पूरा देश, इनफैक्ट पूरा वर्ल्ड कोविड पेंडेमिक से जूझ रहा है, और हमें इस वक्त सबसे ज्यादा आवश्यकता है कॉन्टेक्टलेस एंड पेपरलेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की. देयरफॉर वी आर यूजिंग ऑनलाइन जन सुनवाई एज अ टूल फॉर दिस program, this governance activity, which is known as online governance. This is an e-governance initiative of our district under Digital India program. We are doing weekly online Jan Sunwai on Tuesday through video conferencing with people at the Gram Panchayat level. What we do is that delivery of public services by direct discussion with the rural public. We are reducing number of visits of citizens to the government offices. We are trying that efficient delivery of services with improved service level by process re-engineering. As soon as we get the grievances, and we think that if we need to change any procedure to cater the grievances or to meet the need of the rural public, we try to recorrect our system. This is some glimpses where we are talking to the people at rural level, where Asha, Anganwadi, and rural people, everybody is involved in the system. Shajapur district, the online Jan Sunwai, here are the some glimpses. This district Shajapur is the first to conduct district level online Jan Sunwai. As we know, state level video conference with the people we have already done in the Samadhan Monday or Samadhan online, which is done by Honorable CM sir. But the district level online Jan Sunwai has been done firstly by the Shajapur, where we are what we are doing is that the features are timeliness of the service delivery. We try to give on time service. Then district we get the direct feedback. In fact, DM sir directly get the feedback about the administrative system working at the Janpad level and the Panchayat level offices. And then we are trying to improve accountability of the public officers, and we are reducing the citizens' transaction cost also. Now, I would like to tell you about the service delivery platform. We are trying for a complete paperless environment where we have a centralized Jan Sunwai cell at the district level. Then we use video conference as a tool. Then we do grievances monitoring weekly at the time limit meetings, and then we resolve problems. Problems are resolved by the district authorities, and then information is sent to the Gram Panchayats that what we have done on their grievances, or whatever discussion we have on general discussions about a road, about the health services, about the schools, and of course the health services during the COVID. We have huge discussions on these video conferences and in these Jan Sunwai programs, and then we give the services and we send the information to the villagers through Gram Panchayat. Then what services we do in these video conferences? We also, apart from listening the grievances, what we do, we give them scheme related information, where some at times village people are not aware about the schemes run by the administration, or in any kind of service which they are not aware of. Then we take general complaints, then we take corruption related complaints, then we take information about emergency services, we give them information, then we try to register their demands and suggestions. And we, if they are they have already registered any complaint, we try to give them information about their complaint status. As you know, sir, we have started it in the COVID pandemic duration only. um, it, it's not been much time, but yes, we have we have received very good feedback from the village people. Few things I would like to tell you about that. In every Jan Sunwai we connect with 12 gram panchayats at a time, and at one time we get 30 to 40 complaints on an average in VC. And then we have already organized 22 VCs from 23rd of the June, and we have connected till that to 231 gram panchayats out of 326, and still it is continuing. So we are going to connect with them, with all of them, and again. And these Jan Sunwais total 640 complaints, apart from the general discussion and general social problems we have received. And till date, we have resolved 310, and we are planning to give quick response. And we are, in fact, in the procedure to give response. Number of services in these, we have provided 158 services to the Gram Panchayats. These are some general tendency which we have received, like we have got the discussion on problems like transformer, damaged electric wires, high tension line, building, voltage issues, and new connections to the villages. And in women and child development, we have received the problems related with the Anganwadi building, and then food department we have received like slip generation, Ujjwala Yojana, and then in school education we have received mm, grievances related with the school building, demand, maintenance, construction, bicycle distribution. In PMGSY department also we have received road and bridge. In WRD department, we have received the demand of stop dam, new hand pump, and PHE department, we have received new hand pump required, Nal Jal Yojana issues, various issues like Panchayat and rural development also we have required, and have discussions on Goshala, community hall, encroachment, PM Awas, and This is really a wonderful experience talking to the people on video conference and discussing their problems. I have some examples which are few in various like a few in hundreds. Like one army man wanted is running a training for local villagers to join army, and he asked for uh, um, I think he asked for playground, and then we immediately provided that. Then one drinking water line problem was there in government school. We immediately came out with the solution. Then some Anteshti Yojana and some demands to पुरातत्व विलेज घोषित करने के बारे में भी there was a one demand. Then pension, and there was a demand for COVID survey also. Then mobile network related issues were there. Then one problem was related with the mandir construction, then transformer change, and then electric wires, and other various kind of discussions were there in these VCs. And not only the grievances, but uh, one-to-one talking. We tried to create a face of administration for the villagers. Online Jan Sunwai program through video conferencer, we have some analysis of last 4 months that what we are doing. First is our motive and thought process. We are trying to incorporate the concept of e-governance in our system for the benefit of people. The main motive is to encourage the common people to participate in the development of villages and contribute in the problem solving. We are approaching villagers to solve their problems and local issues this way. We try them that they give us a solution, they give us a suggestion on for the solution so that we can provide them better services. Then this is again a social audit system where villagers are giving us feedback regarding our programs, are already running programs, are already running different plannings. They give us feedback how our system is working so that we can improve. So it is a kind of social audit. Then there are some problems which are of humanitarian nature. As you know that villagers are not very literate. At times they are not even able to draft their application. So when we come on the video conference, they are able to explain what they want. This way we are hand holding, we are making their grievances, we are jotting down their such kind of grievances which they are not able to explain or which they are not able to draft. Then other thing is that confidence building. We are trying that all villagers should have a confidence in the administrative system. And in this part we have a huge response. People with confidence, they are coming, they are showing their interest, and they are trying that we give them better services. Then female participation, as you know, when we discuss at the district level, when the people come, generally female don't come to the offices. Their counter male part, either their husband or their brothers are coming, and they are not they are providing, they are putting their grievances. But the females are now with the system, they can participate in the video conference and directly brief us about their problems. Then identification of the problem, where sarpanch is the present, where sachiv is the present, then anganwadi asha karyakarta, then janpad level officers are present in the video conference, and then DM sir himself take the this VC. So identification of problems and their probable solution comes up. Then e-chopal, this is a kind of e-chopal. Earlier we used to go to the villages and we sit with the people out there, and then we take all our machinery there. But since COVID pandemic is there, we are less able to do this kind of activity. So we are trying to do this activity through this e-chopal. We are, of course, as I told you, that we are trying to be a face of administration, and then capacity building, strengthening the system. Hand holding is the most important thing, which we are doing through this. We are providing them not only services, but we are trying that they, if they are not able to put their papers in front of us, we handhold them, we provide them all the facilities. Then definitely this system is empowering the decentralization at the root level, which is the gram panchayat. And PPP model, as you know, that public is really participating at the gram panchayat level. They are coming out with new demands, they are giving their problems, they themselves are coming with the solutions. So it is kind of public private partnership also. And this is the service delivery channel and figures. Definitely collector office is the first part of this. Then at Janpad level, we have 4 Janpads. We have 4 Janpads which are coordinating with all the Gram Panchayat. And then SDM and Tehsildar and Revenue Administration is participating. And then concerned department, we have at least 80s who are serving them. Then self-service mode is obvious that people are coming to us. And then direct feedback which we are getting about their system, and whatever grievances redressal we are giving, and we get the direct feedback. This is all about our system, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Very nice, madam. I have just one question. You know, how
Yes.
the system work? Is it only for Gram Panchayat officials?
Yes, sir. General public participates in this. What we do, we inform the Gram Panchayat level people to collect the people and to inform them that on next Tuesday we are going to discuss with that particular panchayat. So people are informed well, and then they come into the VC, and then they put their grievances there, discuss their issues, social issues, health related issues and all.
What happens if there are complaints against the Gram Panchayat officials itself? Because villagers will not be able to say anything about their Gram Panchayats in front of them itself.
Yes, sir. There are people who do this. Who come up with if they are not satisfied with the panchayat level work. Firstly, we try that panchayat level officer ensure to recorrect them. If they are not correcting, we are issuing.
But see, people may be afraid of putting all those issues in front of Gram Panchayat people sitting in front of them.
This is yes.
Suggestion
this is what we are.
If people can participate independently instead of going to the Gram Panchayat office, is it possible?
Okay, sir.
That if they can.
Sir, surely, why not possible? Yes, this is very much possible, and very nice suggestion. We will.
Instead of people going to the Gram Panchayat office, those who have a smartphone, they can participate in this. So that will help.
So this is again a one step ahead further.
Yes.
This is a very nice idea. Right now we are doing it with our Gram Panchayat level officers, but suggestion is very nice. We will try to incorporate it, sir.